Here we go, the moment of truth. I think I'm going to use a serrated knife, and the reason is because my regular knives are just not all that sharp, and my fear is always that it tears instead of cuts. So I have a smaller serrated, and I have a bread knife. I think what I'm going to do is bread knife, don't mind the mashed potatoes, and I'm going to do it right in the middle. In there, I believe you can see the pork tenderloin, and it's done in the middle, which is what I was afraid of because the bacon was a little thicker, and it feels like it still has some moisture in it, so that's good as well. So now the point is, next thing, to plate.